7 websites I wish I knew earlier. Part 11. TaylorBrands.com. Create a professional logo and a website in 5 minutes. Write your brand name, hit design, let it do its magic, and boom, your logo is ready to be edited or used, and so does your website. Edit it or publish it. Crello.com. Design anything in any format with zero design skills. Browse among hundreds of templates like these beautiful ones. ContentRow.com. Your secret sauce in upgrading your writing. Check the headline generator to create viral headlines for your posts. Clicks Genie. Get paid to read emails. Instant payments for every time you read an email. Email signatures. Create cool email signatures like these ones instantly. Andro.co. Get beautiful free illustrations for your social media or your website and edit them to your brand colors instantly, like this. Lordicon. Create animated icons like this and edit them as you want. If you enjoyed this one,